Okay, YouTube. It's your boy here, 1683 Clifton. We got the bike on the porch. Now, what we're going to talk about today is some sort of pursuit that these bikes are going to send you on to get an exhaust. Because the stock exhaust on the bike is just not good enough. This is what the stock exhaust looks like. It's just this big honky thing. It's gonna weigh too much. You're gonna get so much better if you put one of these slip-on exhausts and keep your cat, or you delete the whole cat and go full headers and another Akapovich or whatever the fuck this. My buddy on the R3, he's got that thing. And I rode his bike, and I'm like, I'm not feeling a difference. I just want anybody out there to tell me this sounds fucking bad. And I had my buddy at work. He says that my old bike's like a 1100cc Honda Shadow. He says that's a toy, that's garbage. And you got the right thing, because you got a 300, but man. That's enough. Neighbors are officially pissed off with a stock exhaust.com. Thanks for watching.